Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again to Kanyeri Vlogs. I'm so happy to have you here. Thank you, I truly appreciate. Okay, today I'm gonna be showing you something different. This is something I haven't done on my channel, and I just thought, why not? Because at the moment we are going through lockdown, right? And most people don't have any ideas what to do with their hair. We can't keep having our wigs all the time in the house, so I've always loved to do my hair with yarn. Yarn is for knitting, actually. It's for knitting things, but back when we were young, our parents used to use this yarn a lot. And also I do know of some tribes, like in my country we have these people who are Maasais. The Maasais, they like to do their hairs with yarn, and so I've always done my hair with yarn, and I also pass it on to my daughter. I always do her hair. She's got yarn at the moment, I've got yarn at the moment, so I just find it a nice way, a cheap way to just protect your hair from the environment, the harsh weather at the moment we are going through winter. So when you're maybe out and about and you feel like you don't necessarily have to wear wigs all the time, just do the yarn and you're free to go. Then as well, it's a nice warm it's warm because it's yarn, so it's warm, and in winter it is, I think it's the best time to actually have yarn on your head. So I'm just gonna take you through how I made it, and I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So I'm gonna take you step by step how I did my yarn, and everything else that came after, because after you finish doing your yarn, you need to lock it at the ends. If you can see how I've locked it at the end so it doesn't come out, so stay tuned all the way to the end so you can actually know how I did that. Okay, thank you so much guys for joining me today. For my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. To my new subscribers, thank you so much. Feel at home and you're very welcome here. So guys, hit that notification bell if you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and thank you so much for tuning in. On to the tutorial.
Thank God for my reefer, man. This shit good. Every time I reefer, man, I have some good weed. And when I come back that afternoon, he don't never have none. I want to know what kind of motherfucking deal he been getting. He need to get more of this shit.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Oh no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no banta. Hey, Chepe, ninja tombong banta, yeah, maybe. Ikata minto, kata for minto, baby, nice walk, oh no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. I like it how you move, moving like the ocean. Yeah, she deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean. Keep it in nose with my man, some distance from the ocean. Wavy like ocean, baby. Yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean.
She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Damn. Oh no no no. Girl up for my key. All you really want is my key. You want me to wipe it. I don't really show nothing but love. Girl up for my key. All you really want is my key. You want me to wipe it. I don't really show nothing but love. Bobby, hey Bobby.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again. Everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, no. But get it, come here to me, to me. Come here to me, let's go. Come here, come to me, Fatumata Jambele, oh Lord. The Fatumata Jambele, oh Jambele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, no. Everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe, baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you, see. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that
true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Oh, yeah. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing.